Sir, this is our topic about criteria of damage stability. Damage stability criteria ensure a vessel can survive flooding after damage, preventing capsizing. These criteria vary depending on the vessel type and its size, and are largely governed by international maritime regulations, primarily the International Maritime Organization's IMO Safety of Life at Sea Conventions. Two primary methods exist for calculating damage stability. Number one, deterministic method. This approach uses a predefined damage scenario, flooding of a specific compartment or group of compartments to assess the vessel's stability. The vessel must meet specific criteria in this damage condition, such as minimum residual stability, maximum allowable heel angle, and restrictions on progressive flooding. This method is often used for tankers where the consequences of failure are especially severe. Number two, probabilistic method. This more complex method considers the probability of various damage scenarios and the likelihood of survival for each. It calculates a subdivision index comparing the octane index based on the vessel design to a required index based on size and passenger capacity. This method is typically used for larger cargo ships and all passenger ships.
Criteria consideration. Regardless of the method used, survival criteria are constantly applied. Extent of damage, regulation, deadline of assumed size and location and damage, longitudinal, transverse, and vertical extent. These assumptions are based on historical ascent data and simulation. And permeability. Permeability is phrase of the percentage of the float compartment and volume filled, which water difference expenses and a combination necessary. Her difference assume permeabilities and residual stability. After flooding, a vessel must retain surface stability to remain afloat and provide capsizing. This often experiences in terms of the minimal right living core area, maximum health angel, and range of the stability, positive stability, and progressive floating. The criteria address a partition of water spreading to the underdamaged compartment, routes opening should as the pits, ducts, or tunnels, and free surface effects. The movement of liquid within partly filled tank and significant reduced stability. Regulation of tin. Incorporate method and account of the effect. And the last, special vessel type. Regional of tin including specific damage stability requirement for sentence vessel type such as the takers and bell carries. Their requirements may be more stringent due to the hair's race accident which this vessel type. That's all. Thank you, sir.